Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be quickly showing you how you can send money from UK to India using Remitly. So I have always used Western Union whenever I have to send money from UK to India, and Western Union is quick, it's good, it's very reliable. But I'll be very honest, I was seeing this offer where I'm getting a very good exchange rate on Remitly with zero transfer fees. And some of you might know from my previous videos that I'm moving back to India. So I slowly want to send the money which I have saved in the UK to my bank account in India. And in this video, I'm going to quickly go through Remitly process. This is the first time I'm doing the transfer, so I'm going to be sharing the exact process and how long does it take for the money to get into my Indian account. Now the reason for making this video is because I was doing the transfer and then I went to the YouTube to look at different videos, but there was not a lot of videos showing you a proper transfer. So I thought I'll make one myself and then we'll see how long does it take. So without any further ado, let's jump on the computer screen. So all you need to do is just go to remitly.com and we can start sending the money. Now if you have not signed up before, you can click on sign up, and all you need is just an email address and you need to just type your password and you'll sign up to Remitly. It's that easy. And if you have already signed in, all you need is just a login, which I'm gonna do now. Now the current exchange rate which I'm getting on Remitly is 107.98 if I pay by bank and 107.30 if I pay by card. Just want to show you the live exchange rate at the moment. Current live rate is £1 equal to 106.28 Indian rupees, but I'm getting 107.30 on Remitly. So all we need to do is just accept the exchange rate. If you're sending it to a different country, you can change the country here, but in this video I'm showing from UK to India, and then we'll click on send money. Now because I have already edited the bit details, so I'm just gonna click start over. If you click on the new recipient, you can see the initial menu. If you just type in the amount, let's say £500, the receiver will get 53,650. Pay by card, it is the fastest transfer. If you pay by card, if you pay by bank, it will take 2 hours, and there's no fee because there's a new customer offer which says zero fees and a promotional exchange rate for the first £1,000 of this transfer, and the standard rate will apply after this transfer, which is £199 and £105 exchange rate, which is also being offered by the Western Union. So this is the reason why I'm actually using Remitly, because I'm getting zero transfer fee and I'm getting more exchange rate. So I have already entered my bank detail, but I'm gonna show it again. So I'm gonna be sending £1,000, which means I'm gonna get 1,07,300 rupees. I'm gonna be paying it by card, and again there's no fees. So let's click continue. Now the second step will be, how do you want the receiver to get the money? There are three different options. One is cash pickup, one is UPI, one is bank deposit. Now with UPI, when I tried to type my Paytm number, they said Paytm is not accepted. When you click on UPI, they say Citibank and Syndicate Bank do not support transfer by UPI feature. For example, when I click my Paytm UPI address, it says Paytm does not support transfer by UPI, so it does not mention above. So I'm not sure what's the case. Anyway, the best thing you can do is click bank deposit. I think that's the best way you can transfer money. So when you click on bank deposit, you can select your bank. My bank is ICICI Bank, so I'm going to select ICICI Bank. Now the second step is they will ask for your account number. I have already entered my account number for ICICI Bank, which you can see the last 4 digits. So I'm just gonna ignore this step and click on continue, which means my account number is automatically saved. Then you have to type the name in recipient's bank account, and I'm sending the money to my own account, so I'm going to type that exact name. So I'm going to type my name here, then click on continue, and then here I have to enter the recipient mobile number. I have entered my own Indian number here, but this process is optional, so you can skip it as well. Now we'll click on continue. Then you have to select the reason for sending the money. Now there are different reasons here. You can pause and read. So for example, if you're sending money to your parents, or if you're sending money to any other places like real estate or hospitals or travel and tourism, you can select that. But I'm transferring the money to my own NRO account, so I'm going to select my NRO account and then click on continue. Now it is asking for my detail, which is the sender, so I'm the sender again. So I'm going to write my first name and last name, my date of birth, and click on continue. Now it says that confirm your information should match your ID, so make sure you double check the details and click on confirm. Now the next thing they will ask is the postcode of the sender, so I'm gonna type my postcode in here, and it will automatically bring up the result from the postcode. So after selecting my address, I'm gonna click on continue. Then you have to type your own number, so whoever is sending the money will have to type their own phone number, then click on continue. And then this is the process where you have to enter the card. Because I've selected express, that means I have to send the money by a debit card. So I'll click add new card detail here. Now I won't be charged yet, it will be confirmed on the next page. My name has already appeared there, my billing address is also there. So now I'm going to type my card number. after entering the card detail, I'm going to click on next. Now they have given me a rough overview of what's happening. So I'm sending £1,000 with 0 fees, which means I'm gonna get 1,07,320 in my bank account. The delivery is within 1 hour, so the money will be available by Friday 7th June 10:14. Currently it is 9:57, so within next 15 minutes, or exactly if I say next 17 minutes, the money will be in my account. So now all I have to do is click on next. And the page is still loading, and I've already got a message from my ICICI bank that my account has been credited with 1,07,320 rupees. So it's done. Like, the page was still loading and the money was sent to my account, which is very, very quick. Like, my NatWest bank didn't even ask me to confirm the transaction by passcode or anything, which is kind of shocking. Anyway, that was very, very quick. And if I can view my receipt, money has been delivered. It was really very quick, and they're also giving me give £10, get £10 and copy your invite link. So guys, if you want to send money via Remitly, I'll say it is very quick. It is very transparent. Like, I was very transparent. Like, I got the money in my account very quickly. I'm going to be also sharing the screenshot of the message. I'm going to take the screenshot after I pause the video on my phone. And as it says, copy your invite link. So I'm going to copy this invite link and I will paste this link in the description and the pinned comment. So if you want to send money from UK to India, do it. Remitly is a good way. I've always used Western Union, but I'll say if they both are giving me the same rate and the transfer was this quick, I might use Remitly in future as well, because obviously they both have like certain limit you can send. So you can use one or the other. And if you use this link, you'll get £10 off. I'll get £10 off. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any doubt, any particular questions, you can write them in the comment section. If someone has gone through them, they will reply, and if I have knowledge of that, I'll reply for sure, and maybe you'll get some help. And that was all for this video. Hopefully this was helpful to you, and hopefully now you got a kind of what I was looking for, like, oh, if I can just see someone has done the live transaction and I can trust this Remitly process to send my money, especially £1,000, I'll be very happy. And now hopefully you have got that trust by watching this video. So I'll say go ahead. Obviously there can be hiccups in anyone's life and anyone's situation, and it's not up to me, but as I can say, like, from my personal experience, my first experience, this was very quick, and hopefully you will also have this swift experience with Remitly. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.